Incredibly fluffy, delicious, full of rich chocolatey flavor and topped with the red velvet frosting, you will find these vegan red velvet cupcakes so addictive, and they're really easy to make. Let's get started. Preheat the oven at 350. Line a cupcake tray with paper liners and set it aside. First, you're going to prepare the buttermilk. So you're going to combine half a cup of almond milk with a teaspoon of lemon juice. You're going to mix it together. And you're going to set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. The vegan buttermilk improves the texture of the cupcake and helps it to rise while baking. You only need 1 bowl to make these cupcakes, so we're going to start off by adding our dry ingredients. We're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, the sugar, the baking powder and the baking soda, the cocoa powder, and a dash of salt. And we're going to whisk the ingredients together. So next we're going to add all of our wet ingredients. So we're going to start off with the buttermilk. And then we're going to add our applesauce. And just so you know, you will not taste the applesauce in the cupcakes. Applesauce really helps to make the cupcakes moist. We're going to add our vanilla extract, vegetable oil. Stir this a bit. I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together. And now we're going to add the ingredient that gives it that beautiful red velvet color, and it's the red food coloring gel. After you've mixed all of your ingredients together, your batter should look like this. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? Divide the batter evenly between the cupcake liners, and you want to fill it up to 2/3, because otherwise if you fill it more than that, they'll overflow. While the cupcakes are cooling, let's make the red velvet frosting. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to beat the butter on medium to high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and mix until combined. Add in the vanilla extract, the cocoa powder, the plant-based milk, and mix some more and scrape the sides of the bowl when necessary. Add in the red coloring gel and stir until all the ingredients are blended together. Once the cupcakes have cooled down, it's time to pipe the cupcakes. If you make these velvet cupcakes, let me know in the comment section down below how they turned out. I would love to know. I would love to hear from you. And if you're looking for another tasty cupcake recipe, then be sure to check out my vegan pumpkin cupcake video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.